Hello everyone, it's Cynthia, your host. Welcome to today's show. I am giving you a quick breaking news update from Disney Cruise Lines. They have updated their COVID-19 policies and I am here to tell you all about it. As we all know, because of COVID and the cruise restart, things have been constantly changing when it comes to travel protocols, restrictions, and today, September 27th, 2022, we have another restriction that is lifting. But that's not the only update. Right Recipe for Travel has our group cruise next November 25th of 2023 on the Carnival Jubilee, the brand new Carnival ship coming to Galveston, Texas. But I had gotten terrible news. There were no more cabins. I couldn't believe it. On my last trip on the Breeze back in August of this year, I was told that there were no more cabins when people called to book our group cruise. I was so sad about this. But that's what happens when brand new ships come available. People want to book them. And that was the first sailing starting from the United States. So I knew that there would be a lot of demand for the cruise. Just today, once again, September 27th of 2022, there are rooms available. All right, let's get into it. Today, on their website, Disney quietly released this information. I am going to read this directly from the Disney website, and this is under the Know Before You Go section. It's stating here, beginning October 14th of 2022, COVID-19 vaccination and testing requirements on the Disney Wish, Disney Dream, Disney Fantasy, and Disney Wonder, and becoming effective November 7th of 2022 on the Disney Magic, guests age 12 and older, full vaccination not required, but highly recommended. And also, testing for fully vaccinated guests not required. Testing for unvaccinated guests must provide results of a COVID-19 test taken 1 to 2 days before sail date. The test may be an observed antigen test through a proctored telehealth service with digital results, a rapid or lab-based PCR test, or nucleic acid amplification tests are also acceptable. And this is for guests age 12 and over. For guests age 5 to 11, full vaccination not required, but highly recommended. Testing for fully vaccinated guests not required. And to continue to read on, testing for unvaccinated guests must provide results of a COVID-19 test taking 1 to 2 days before sail date. So it's the same as for 12 and over. And then guests age 4 and younger, full vaccination not required, but highly recommended, and testing not required. This was just posted on their website today. So once again, just to go through this will take effect beginning October 14th of 2022 for all the ships except the Disney Magic. So that's the Disney Wish, the Disney Dream, the Disney Fantasy, and the Disney Wonder. And then this will take effect for the Disney Magic beginning November 7th. There you have it. What we need to do is just make sure that we keep in touch with our Disney cruise planners, with your travel agent. Make sure that you check it out for yourself. It is right here on the Disney website. Things are constantly changing. So before you book that cruise, before you pay your money, before you show up, make sure that you are aware of the most up-to-date requirements concerning COVID-19 vaccinations and testing. Are you booked on a Disney cruise? Have you been waiting to cruise but hadn't decided to become vaccinated for whatever the reason? Well, effective October 14th, that has all changed. Check the website and happy cruising. On to the other story that I must tell you that's breaking news. Right Recipe for Travel is so excited and looking forward to our group cruise on the brand new Carnival Jubilee next November, beginning November 25th of 2023. So excited. And I've done videos to tell you all about it and remind you, don't wait. But because it's over a year and a half away, some of us might not have been really thinking about it just yet. And I found out that there were no more cabins available. I heard this Didn't believe that it was true, contacted our personal vacation planner and find out that yes, at that point, you could not book another cabin on the ship. I was so sad, but I knew that a brand new ship coming to Galveston would sell out quickly. I didn't really think it would sell out this quickly. Well, I am so excited to tell you that effective today, September 27th, there are rooms available, but not many. If you plan to go on the November 25th sailing of Carnival Jubilee out of Galveston, you need to book your cruise like now. Well, wait till after this video and then go book your cruise. The rooms are selling out so quickly. And of course it would be. I mean, take a look at this beautiful ship. All of the offerings that we're going to have right here out of Galveston, Texas, right after Thanksgiving. It's going to be so much fun. But if you plan on going, book your cruise now. Don't hesitate. Here is the information up on our screen for our personal vacation planner to get you all booked and all set up for the great fun of our group cruise. I can't wait to see you there. All right? Thank you so much, family. Just wanted to update you on the news, and I'll catch you at the next adventure.